Hello everyone, Jake here. Today we're going to turn this platter blank that we made on our live show. We put it on every Saturday at 10 o'clock a.m. Central Time. Rochelle won this. Somebody wins something like this every week, and I'm going to go ahead and turn this one. I have it on the Easy Wood cold jaws, and I'm turning it with all negative rake cutters on the Easy Wood tools. So let's get started. I just made that top side flat so it would fit flush against the easy jaws, so I just flip it around there and I support the end with the tailstock and then start cutting again with these negative rakes. I'm going to use a combination of a detailer and a rougher to go ahead and dig down in here a little bit and get a tenon on this so we can get it turned around and put in the chuck, and then we can turn up the speed and start making a shape on this thing. I have the tenon made now, and now it's time to just change the jaws in that easy chuck. Super cool product they have. It's super easy to change them over and get to cutting. Oh look, here's a number one hollower. It has a negative rake on it also. All of the tools I use today do. I'm going to go ahead and get this roughed out with that, and then I'm going to smooth it over with a pro finisher with a negative rake on it. I think the smaller ones will dig in and it makes grooves, and then when you use the bigger ones, it makes it way smoother before you go to sanding. Once we get the shape where we like it, we'll go ahead and start sanding at about 80 to 100 grit and go up to 400 grit. And after I get done with that, I'll put denatured alcohol on it, and I'll be able to see if there's any imperfections or if I need to sand anymore. Once we're satisfied with the sanding, we go ahead and put Yorkshire grit on there. You're going to rub it in over the entire project, and then you'll go ahead and turn on the lathe and put some more on your towel and rub it in there until you can feel that it's not being abrasive anymore. And then you get a clean paper towel and you keep rubbing the paper towel on there until you stop getting Yorkshire grit on the towel, and then you're ready for your finish. We're going to finish this off today with Doctor's Woodshop microcrystal paste wax. You have to turn up your lathe a little bit because it has wax in it, so it will melt into there. You can see how shiny it's already getting. A couple coats of that and it finished it off just fine. We finished off the top part of it, so I flipped this thing back around, put it in the cold jaws, and very carefully turn this back down so it's smooth on the other knee side. And then I get it where I want it, and I go back through the sanding and finishing process with the sanding, Yorkshire grit, and the paste wax, and then we end up with a super cool platter that we get to give to Rochelle, and I hope she likes it. Stick around to the end for the close-ups, and we'll see you guys next time. You made it to the end of the video. Thank you for that. Go ahead and watch this video right here next.